Hi there! Have you ever styled your hair on the go? I doubt it, and this is the reason: a full bag. The last thing you're gonna fit in that bag is a hairdryer. But what about this one? Introducing the first travel-friendly hairdryer. This is Ronia. Styling your hair is now on the go. Take all the power in half the size. 1200 watts. No buttons. Just twist and go. Want to see more tricks? Have you ever felt you needed both hands? Now you can. Set it on any flat surface for full control. And that's not all. It comes with two types of snap-on magnetic nozzles. One for straight hair and one for curly hair. And when you're done looking awesome, roll and tuck your Ronia and say goodbye to bundle cables. Tuck it in your purse, your backpack, your suitcase, I don't know. Remember, those nozzles are silicone. Squeeze them into your bag. And don't you just hate it when you go to take a shower and the bathroom is ice cold? With Ronia, you can heat it up. Turn it on, and in just 4 minutes, your bathroom will be nice and cozy. Ronia, the travel-friendly hairdryer.